right. We will get started. Where is it? You guys see the screen? Okay, notice it's green. And there's going to be a little bit of a lag with this. Okay, so my words might be faster than what's being projected. So just be aware of that as well. All right. Number one is factor the problems. All you have to do is just factor. You don't have to solve. All right, so this is just the X method, and then this is negative 36 and 5. This will be 9 and negative 5. So it'll be X plus 9 and X minus, sorry, 4, my bad. So X minus 4. Okay, X plus 9, X minus 4. All right, number 2, you factor out the 3 first. It becomes X squared plus 7X plus 10. So this becomes the X method here, 10 and 7, be 5 and 2. So it will be 3 and then X plus 5, X plus 2. Remember, you're just factoring, you're not solving right now. Okay. Number 3, I believe you can factor out a 2 first, but let's just group it because there are 4 terms. So this 2m, and then this is what, 3m plus 1, and then plus 4, and then 3m plus 1. So this will be 2m plus 4. This is squared, thank you, 2m squared. So it would be 2m squared plus 4, and then 3m plus 1. Thank you for that. Oh, and then you can factor out the 2. So it'll be 2 and then m squared plus 2 and 3m plus 1. You could also initially factor out the 2 and then it should be the same process. Number 4 is the difference of squares. So it'll be 4a minus 7 and 4a plus 7. Okay. Number 5 is the sum of cubes. So a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2. So it will be 3x plus 2, because based on the formula up there on the board. All right, and then it'll be 9x squared plus 6x. All right, hold on a second. There's the minus sign. The minus sign is the first one. So minus 6x plus 4. Right? Number 6 is you factor out the negative 6x, and you're left with x squared plus 2x minus 1. I don't think this is factorable here, so you could just leave it like this. Okay, so sometimes you just have to know when to stop. Okay. Right. Number 7 is you put it in standard form, so subtract the 14x. Let's add the 5. Remember, make every quadratic equal to 0. So 6x squared minus 17x plus 12. And then you do the, oh, sorry, this is not x method. You do the quadratic formula, right? I hope you guys did the quadratic formula. Negative b, so a is equal to 6, b is equal to negative 17, and c is equal to 12. Negative and negative 17 plus or minus the square root of negative 17 squared minus 4 times 6 times 12 all over 2 times 6. So 17 plus or minus 17 squared is what? 289? 289 minus 424 times 12, 288 all over 12. So this equals 17 plus or minus radical 1 over 12 is equal to 17 plus Radical 1 is 1 over 12, and then 17 minus 1 over 12. So it's 18 over 12, or 1 1/2. This is 16 over 12, which is 1 1/3, I think, right? So if you graph these on an XY coordinate, this is just 1 1/2 is here, 1 1/3 is here. So like the parabola is going to do something like this. Cool. That's the last problem on that page, number 7. So number 8, solve the system by graphing. You just have to plug it in. You have to put it in slope-intercept form. So there we go. 2y is equal to negative 7x plus 24. Y is equal to negative 7 over 2x plus 12. And then that's one equation. The second equation is 2y is equal to negative 8x plus 30 divided by 2. Y is equal to negative 4x plus 15. Okay, you graph these here. You go up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over 2. So it's 1 here and 1 here. So that's a line right here. And then 15 is up here. 13, 14, 15. Go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1. It looks something like this. This one's kind of hard to tell where the point of intersection is, but as long as you're kind of close, you should be fine. Okay. All right. Number 9 is this, the substitution method. I would add the y. So x is equal, you have to isolate a variable. So I add the y, and x is equal to y plus 13. Plug it in here, 4, and then y plus 13 plus 2y is equal to 10. And this is what? 4y plus 52. All right. Plus 2y is equal to 10. 6y plus 52 is equal to 10. Subtract the 52. 6y is equal to negative 42, and divided by 6. Y is equal to negative 7. That means that x is equal to negative 7 plus 13 from this equation. So that's 6. So 6, negative 7 is your point of intersection. Okay. And number 10, I would multiply the top equation by 2. So it becomes 16x minus 12y is equal to negative 40. Oops. And then negative 16x plus 7y is equal to 30. That cancels out. You eliminate that, be negative 5y is equal to negative 10. Y is equal to 2. Plug it into either any equation. Let's go with the first one. 8x minus 6 times 2 equals negative 20. 8x is minus 12 is equal to negative 20. Add 12 to both sides. 8x is equal to negative 8. Divide by 8, x is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 comma 2 is your point of intersection. All right. Last page here. Systems of inequalities. Hopefully this is easy. You go up 2, you change colors. Go up 2, you go up 1, right 2, and you put a solid line here. You plug in maybe a test point 0, 0, but since it's less than, it's usually gonna shade below. If I put 0 is less than or equal to 1 over 2 times 0 plus 2. This is a true statement, so you're gonna shade below. Then y is greater than 3x minus 3. Minus 3 is here. You go up 3 over 1, dotted line here. And you choose 0, 0. 0 is greater than 3 times 0 minus 3. 0 is greater than 0 minus 3, which is 0 is greater than negative 3. True statement. So since 0, 0 is above the line, you're going to shade above this. And where the red and the blue intersect, that's what we're looking for. Okay, the blue should have gone up here too. Okay. Number 12 is kind of like application. I really didn't teach this, but I do hope, I'm hoping that we could all bring it together. All right. This line represents y is this one right here. Y is less than the y-intercept is -1. The slope is what? 1, 2 over, so it'll be 2x minus 1. All right. I'm going to write this down. Y is less than 2x minus 1 because it's shaded below that line. Okay. And then the other one is y is greater than, what's the slope here? 1, 2, is it 1 over 1? So -1x plus 2. Okay. All right. And I asked to put it, so that's in slope intercept form. I asked to put it in standard form. So what you would have to do is for the y is less than 2x minus 1, subtract the 2x. So you get -2x plus y is less than -1. And you would have to multiply it by -1. So it'd be 2x minus y is less than 1. Subtract 2x. Yeah. All right. And then the other one would be y is greater than -x plus 2. Add the x to the other side. It'll be x plus y is greater than 2. And that's it.